All right, when you are lighting mirrors, you want to light the reflection of what's in the mirror and not the mirror itself. So when we put this mirror up, you could see behind into all this stuff back behind the camera. The camera's sitting right there, that little black dot. So you can see everything behind there. So what I did was I put this V flat up here, this white V flat, to block the reflection and to show in the mirror's reflection. I pulled out a light because I thought I was going to need to light the V flat for a gradient, but it actually turned out when you get to about the camera's angle, the right side fill light is just barely out of the mirror's edge and creating a nice gradient in the mirror.